Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Telestream Vantage for transcodes, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by launching the Telestream Vantage application on your system. Ensure that you have the necessary credentials for authentication. Locate the login section on the main interface. Enter your username in the designated field. Proceed to input your password in the adjacent field. Verify that your credentials are entered correctly. Click on the Login button to initiate the authentication process. Wait for the application to process your login request. If the credentials are valid, you will be redirected to the main dashboard. In case of an authentication error, recheck your username and password. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the Vantage interface. Navigate to the Transcoding section to begin the workflow. Select the specific job you wish to execute. Configure the transcoding settings as per your requirements. Review the output settings to ensure they align with your project needs. Save your settings before proceeding to the next step. Click on Start Job to begin the transcoding process. Monitor the job status in the Jobs panel for progress updates. Address any potential errors that may arise during the transcode. Once the process is complete, locate the output files in the specified directory. Ensure that the outputs meet your quality expectations before finalizing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.